Hi guys. Well, I got back, of course. I told you earlier. I've tied down everything I have to tie down and brought in all the smaller things that I don't want to fly away because 50-mile-an-hour gusts is pretty bad. I had to tie down the table, my stove on the table, the playpen, the chairs, and all the water jugs. I tied them all together. And then I secured them to the table there. So, and I'll keep an eye out on it. Oh my goodness. Trying to get comfortable here. I got 3 dogs in the bed with me. Not helpful. But, yeah, I'm thankful that I was able to find out what was wrong with him. I didn't want to take no chance. But one thing the doctor told me is that Brian's heart sounds pretty good. So, that's good. I don't have to worry about this hurting him any more than his heart is doing. But, like I say, 2 of them are on medication for that. But, I'm hoping that all this will clear up. He did tell me, because I told him that as long as I've known Brian, and gosh, 2012, 2011, something like that, Brian's always had kind of a little cough, but it goes away. And it comes and it goes away. And he told me that it sounded like that was allergies. And so he's taking care of that too. But he said it just sounds like allergies because it's been going on for all these years. Other than that, I'm thankful that that's all it was. It could have been worse. I was thinking worse. So I was thinking worse and praying for the best. And look, guys. Can you see I got a little ponytail? Oh my gosh. But yeah, the wind's starting to pick up some. And I'm assuming it's going to be pretty nasty there for a couple of days. But I don't mind. I don't mind the wind. I mean, I'll be in the van, and when I have to go out, I'll go out. And when they have to go out, they'll go out. I'm going to have to walk them because I had to tie down their playpen. And it's just a mess to untie it and all. So I'll just put them on a leash and walk them out. Let them do their business. But anyway, other than that, everything's smooth. Everything's going fine. Once again, thank you all for all the help. I so much appreciate it. And I know there are some of you that cannot help financially. And I so totally understand that. But I do ask that if you will just share the link. And, I do believe that I have to be patient. And I know I have to be patient. But I believe that God's going to give me what He knows I need. I've thought of many different things, okay? I've thought the van. I've thought a Class C, which I could get one for $3,000. I really could. And then again, I thought about a pickup and with a camper on the back. I had one, and I lived in it for a long time, and it was so easy. It had a little shower, a little bathroom, a closet, cabinets. I had a place where you could put a table in the middle, and you had the sides where you could sit, and it had the bed. And it worked great. It was really great. I totally loved it. So I've been thinking about that too. If I could get a decent price pickup, and of course automatic, and try to get a 6-cylinder possibly. if I'm just looking, I'm looking all over, every little way, because I know he's going to give me what I need. But I'm just looking around, and I was looking at some of the campers that people are selling, and really reasonable. I mean, gosh. The last one I got, though, that one was free. Somebody was giving it away, and I just happened to get the ad at that time. Sorry about that. So I was able to secure it, and it worked just fine. Didn't have a leak, no problem, and even had a propane tank in it. But I've got mine. But anyway, I'm just looking at all aspects and what's the best way and which is the cheapest way to be able to acquire what I need. And then I say, God, you know exactly what I need, so you can bring it to me. And I'll wait, because believe me, it's hard for me waiting. But anyway, guys, I love each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all of your help. And I love each and every one of you. I will talk to you tomorrow. Meanwhile, big hugs and peace.